Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to Zisodel TV, where you can get your latest news as it breaks, breaking news, events, and events happenings totally generally all around the world. So all you need to do is just press subscribe button to get notification each time I post so you can get updated. Okay? Stay glued to this channel. We love you.
Professor Isha Olóyèdè, CON, FUN, FNAL, Registrar, Chief Executive, Joint Admission and Matriculation Board, Federal Secretariat Complex, Shell Shagari, Abuja. There's a letter of profound apology. Permit me to use this medium to pen this letter of apology with a heavy heart. I humbly seek your forgiveness for the mistakes I've made and the pain I've caused. I'm by name Ejikeme Mmesoma, the young girl who was not celebrated for what appeared to be an exceptional UTME score. I deeply and sincerely admit that I ignorantly got my JAMB results from another portal, which was not JAMB portal. But in the course of this, I lambasted JAMB, solidly standing on my ground as I obtained my results from JAMB portal. I apologize for all the apportionment and all the pains I've caused. I want to emphasize that ignorance played a significant role in my misguided action. I lacked a clear understanding of the far-reaching consequences and the impact my actions would have. Words cannot adequately describe the depths of pain I feel for letting you down. This is the first time in my life of academic studies that I will be accused for any form of misbehavior. It is not in my character and personality. Therefore, I plead for leniency and total forgiveness for my misconduct. I want to emphasize my genuine commitment to making amends. It is through this understanding of self-reflection that I willingly accept the recommendations and I wholeheartedly accept to rectify my mistakes and become a better person. Finally, I request that you tamper justice with mercy concerning the ban that was imposed on me. Thanks for your understanding and consideration. Yours sincerely, Ejikeme Mmesoma.